and the grass so green on the other side. Make you wanna oughta run straight through the fence. Open up the fridge about 20 times, but you still can't find no food in it. That's foolishness. Sometimes I wonder why we care so much about the way we look and the way we talk and the way we act and the clothes we bought, how much that cost. Does it even